Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we're going to talk about Nuana House of Luxury gift pack. This is a pack of 6 perfumes of 20 ml each. So you can really test and try and see which perfume you like from Nuana Luxury and then get a full size of it. Let's explore about this gift pack. Let's talk more about it in detail and let's begin with today's video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is myperfumediaries_. Come and say hi and let's get to know each other. Now, let's get started. So Nuana House of Luxury has come up with a lot of fragrances and new releases in the recent past. And as an end user, I do understand the confusion which variant to get committed to, like which full size bottle should I purchase, and it's a lot of confusion. I think this gift set is a good way to kind of explore the brand and kind of like test and try and see what kind of fits your mood and what kind of fits your signature scent vibe. Let's see the packaging. It comes in this beautiful cardboard box with details in golden, and behind you have all the relevant details that you need to know. This gift set has 6 perfume bottles of 20 ml each, and the gift pack is priced for MRP 1500 rupees, but at discount it's currently available at 1200 at www.nuanaluxury.com. Of course, I will share the product link in the description and you can find all the details there. We have to slide open the gift pack like so. It is very tight, so it's difficult to show it on the camera. Let me slide it through, open it, and then share it with you guys. Now it does come with 3 cards. One is an info card which tells about the brand itself, and it's a custom info card which is very sweet. I really appreciate the brand for doing that. Then you get one discount coupon that you can use in your next purchase. And then this is the most interesting envelope here, because this particular envelope is kind of like telling you about each and every fragrance that is present in this gift pack. This is so informative and so thoughtful according to me, because you get an idea of what the mood of the fragrance is and what the fragrance notes are. It literally says that there are 3 fragrances which are best suited to be worn during daytime, and they've given which 3 fragrances are of that category. And then behind, they've told which fragrances are suitable for evening and nighttime wear, or which are more outgoing. So this just helps you to kind of get an idea, test and try what you should be wearing during daytime, what you should be preferring to wear during evening and nighttime. Of course, perfumes are subjective. Feel free to mix and match and layer and do your thing. If you want to mix evening fragrances with daytime fragrances, you do you, whatever is your jam and whatever you're comfortable doing. This is just an information card and it kind of helps you to guide and go through your way through all of these fragrances. So let's begin with the first 3 fragrances which are meant for daytime, and the mood is kind of like casual and office time. First one is Blue Lagoon. Now Blue Lagoon is a fresh, crisp, kind of like a blue marine fragrance with lots of zestiness, some floral nuances, and the maturity of patchouli. It has a very bright and zesty opening of lime, bergamot, and lemon. And then it has this kind of like fruity floral nuances, jasmine, peach, some rose, mixing up with some rosemary. Patchouli, amber, and white musk is binding everything together, making this fragrance very bright yet mature, kind of adding an oriental touch. It's like these blue fresh waves coming and gushing and mixing up with some fruit basket and flowers. It's fresh, it's minimal, it's clean girl vibe, it is effortlessly chic, and it is something that kind of makes it perfectly suitable for office wear. This one is so special to me because I just feel I can wear this all the time in all the seasons. It has a beautiful slight hint of a tropical touch. It is mature and it is something that I love to wear in office. One of the most non-offensive freshy fragrances that you can wear. Gives a longevity of 5 to 6 hours, and projection and sillage is medium to loud based on the number of sprays that you go in with. The next one is Peach and Berry. Now this is a very feminine yet a very mature fragrance. A nice berry-licious kind of fragrance with lots of woodiness and some floral nuances. Strawberry and raspberry meeting up with some pear, jasmine, datura, and orange blossom in the mid notes, patchouli, vanilla, and white musk in the base. Like I said, it's a beautiful fruity floral woody fragrance which is mature, very balanced, very well rounded, and something again that you can wear in office as well as in the casual meets. Best suited for daytime, for brunches, lunches, meeting your girlfriends, having a nice casual time, or maybe shopping at a mall. Longevity of 6 to 7 hours, projection and sillage is medium to loud based on number of sprays that you go with. Next is Secret Garden. Now Secret Garden is a very beautiful white floral bouquet kind of a fragrance where jasmine with a heavy dose of tuberose meets Rangoon Creeper. Kind of has like a white, pink, white floral kind of a fragrance out there, which literally feels very relaxing, like you're meditating in a beautiful floral garden. It has a very calm and a very kind of like a easy breezy vibe to it. something that you will definitely enjoy during daytime. Now I know that this is a very white floral, is kind of a clean girl minimum vibe kind of a fragrance, but I do find this to be very suitable to be worn as a bridal fragrance as well. If you love wearing pastels in your wedding, or if you're somebody who is wearing white on her wedding, you should definitely get this one, because this just is very refreshing and has a very clean girl vibe. It kind of screams effortlessly chic vibe in my opinion. Performs also really well. I get around 6+ hours of longevity with this one, and projection and sillage is medium to soft. It kind of like gives this beautiful floral wisp throughout the wear. It does not consume you. Like, it's not that this perfume is kind of like consuming your personality. It's the other way around. It's like your personality is going to oomph up if you wear something like this. It kind of adds a very beautiful touch to your overall personality, your overall aura. Now those were the 3 daytime, office, casual wear kind of a fragrances. Now let's head on to the ones that are more suitable during evening, more outgoing, dinner type, more seductive kind of a scent profile. First one that I want to talk about is Moon Oud. I find this fragrance typically to be slightly challenging on myself. I love this fragrance on my guy, but typically on me, I don't really prefer wearing this one. It's a very manly, masculine leaning kind of a fragrance. And Moon Oud has the notes of wormwood in the opening along with some orange zest. Freesia, blackcurrant and some patchouli in the mid notes, musk, amber and a hint of tobacco. Now here's where the magic is. Oud is meeting tobacco with some fruity nuances. Overall kind of is very woody, very mature, very warm, a very strong masculine appeal kind of a fragrance. I love this fragrance on my man when we are going on a date during the evening or nighttime. When he wears something like this, it has a very nice, sexy, seductive appeal to it, and it's best suitable for special occasions. It performs really well, gets 7+ hours of longevity, and sillage and projection is loud on this. 2 that I'm going to talk about are kind of my personal favorites, because that's the scent profile that I usually kind of lean on. The first one is Vanilla Nights. Vanilla Nights, as the name suggests, kind of enwraps all the other perfume notes inside the blanket of vanilla. It has coffee, white florals like jasmine, some pear, pink pepper, bitter almond mixing up with some patchouli, cedar, woodiness. Everything is enwrapped in this vanillic blanket. I find this profile to be slightly sexy, seductive, something that I would love wearing during evening or nighttime for a date night where I want to feel like a diva. This is where I wear a fragrance like this. It obviously creates a good scent bubble around me and performs really well. 6+ hours of longevity, and projection and sillage is medium to loud. It gives me a mental picture of wearing like a nice black dress with beautiful red lips and just glowing like a diva. Last fragrance is Silk and Saffron. Now it has this beautiful silky saffron feel in the opening, mixing up with some jasmine, some amberwood and ambergris. Amberwood, Hidion, cedar, lots of sugar, oak moss and amber. Kind of gives a feel of ambergris without actually listing ambergris in the notes. Has this marine nuance to it, mixing up with some sugarcane sugar, mixing up with some saffron and lots of woodiness. It's mature, kind of sweet, very elegant, something that makes you smell very, very rich, and the kind of fragrance that sort of enters the room before you do. So it's a very prominent, a very dominating kind of a fragrance. And Silk and Saffron is a unisex fragrance. Both men and women can enjoy this equally and kind of share that celebrity vibe. So these are the 6 variants that you get with the gift pack of Nuana House of Luxury. Again, like I said, this is such a good way to explore a brand. Plus 20 ml fragrances, guys. It's a lot of quantity to test and try, and to understand if you love a fragrance and if you are ready to kind of like commit to a full bottle. With so many back-to-back releases from Nuana, I understand the confusion. I understand how relatable it is that, okay, should I get this one or that one or this one or a new release? So this is kind of a good way to explore the brand and kind of understand what all these fragrances are all about. So that's it for today. That was everything that I wanted to talk about this gift set. I hope that you enjoyed and liked watching this video. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.